What is up? According to YouTube, I'm live on this Thursday. Thursday, I think it is. The day before Friday. That's the only thing I know. What is up? How is everybody doing? What is poppin'? What is going on? High value engineers. I just got a mail from YouTube that I'm live. Isn't that amazing? And today I got my first copyright claim. So can you imagine? I'm paying Artlist money so I can basically play copyright-free music. That's what they telling me. That's what they sold me. And this morning I got a claim from some song. From some song. It's crazy. So I spent basically 1 hour and a half talking with YouTube, talking with Artlist, and it's still it's still broken. So it is what it is, man. Hey. But we don't care, you know what I mean? What's going on here? Is everything okay? Let me quickly see, because it should be Gucci. Moshago, what is up? Welcome to the shit. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, not my favorite stream today. Advent of Code. I really hate that shit, and I'm gonna lie. I really hate it. I really hate to stream it, because I hate it. But hey, I wanna challenge myself and come out of my comfort zone. That's what I do. Making it myself so difficult. You know what I mean? Yeah, wait. Let me quickly tweet and all that shenanigans. I'm live on YouTube streaming some Advent of Code shenanigans in Golang. I will need your help. Clickbaits. And on Discord. Shit. I need to tag everyone. Alright. Atticus. Get a new phone. The video is blurry to me. Watching from my phone. You need to select and click HD, man. Click HD. Is that true? Click HD. Yes, we're gonna do Advent of Code, and maybe then we're gonna do to the crypto aggregator. Depends actually. Like I said, not quite sure what day is gonna be. Manan, let's go. Okay, cool. Advent of shit. Let me open up this site real quick. 22. Okay, where are we? 3. So I solved 2. I solved 2 live on stream. I solved 2 part 2 myself, because hey, get out of the thing, man. Rock, paper, scissors, my ass. Alright. Day 3. Rucksack. What's a rucksack? Is it a backpack? A rucksack. Because in my country we say a rucksack. So a rucksack, you know what I mean? So it sounds the same. Alright, who is here? Namam. What's up, Dave? Miguel Pinto. Hi, Anthony, glad to be here. Blazingly faster. Yo, GG, what up? Arnap. Hey, Anthony, finally joining to the start of the stream. Yes, day 7 is tough, man. I know, every day is tough. I'm not gonna lie. So I hope you guys ask me a lot of questions, so I don't need to code as much. And then after 2 hours, the stream is over, and I cannot embarrass myself here with these things. Nihal N, what is up? All right. I hate this. I hate this so hard, but hey. Mic OCD kicking in. Okay, let me quickly say what's going on here. So One Health has an important job of loading all the rucksacks with supplies. I'm gonna skip that part. Let me find to the point. Okay, cool. I think this is the point. So each rucksack, so funny word, has 2 large compartments All items of a given type are meant to go into exactly one of the 2 compartments. Okay, only one. Yeah. The elf that did the packing failed. Aye. To follow this rule, okay. The elf made a list of all the items. Can you guys see this? Why not stream on Twitch though? I don't know, man. Because I don't know. I tried and I don't know. Maybe I should. I have no clue why. Wait. My HD is kicking in. The others made a list of all the items currently in each rucksack. Yeah. But they need your help finding the errors. Every item is identified by a single lowercase or uppercase letter. Okay. A and A refer to different... Okay. The list of items for each rucksack is given all characters on a single line. Okay, here. A given rucksack always have the same number of items in each of its compartments. Okay. Yeah, sorry guys. I need to focus myself because otherwise, like I said, I have the attention span of a goldfish. So the first half of the check represents the items in the first compartment. Okay, cool. And the okay, so first half, second half. Suppose you have the following list, yada yada. Yes, that means... Okay, you see how I do things? I legit cannot read. So we're just gonna... That's what I do. Let's copy this real quick already. Copy and then make a folder 3. Boom. Like I said, I'm so bad at reading. New file, data, txt. Boom. Paste it in. That's that. Then make a new file. Main.go. Package main. Let's do this. Okay, so func main. Calist. What am I doing in Calist? What's going on here? Fr is gonna be OS open data txt. Let's read the file real quick, Log fatal. Still rusty. Did not go too much today. Went to the gym. Pull day. Bend over rows. And all that stuff, you know. Okay, we have a file. Reader is gonna be a buff.io. New reader. F4 line R reader read line. Is that a thing? Line bytes prefix bool. Okay, cool. Print. Line. Hey! High value software engineers, what is up? Wait. CD3. Go run main. No, go. If R is gonna be the OS, no, the IO end of file, it's gonna break, hey? Boom. Alright, catch up the chat so we can. Belgium is very based to French, yeah, it is. Rucksack is German for backpack. That's what I thought. I said rucksack. It sounds like rugzak. Like Dora. You know what I mean? Dora the Explorer. Swiper, don't steal. Zwieber, niet stelen. You cannot steal. Dora. This is the best thing a child can... It's crazy, man. Dora the Explorer, and Diego in the jungle. He's a very special kind. Diego. Go, Diego, go! Federico, what is up, man? I have 2 kids, so I know all these shenanigans, right? Paw Patrol, Dora, Peppa Pig. And all that shenanigans. Alright. Reading lines. So, the only thing I remember, and I need to reread it, is that we need to split these things up. The first rucksack, the first backpack contains the items, which means, okay, this is one, yeah, okay, rucksack, and then we have 2 compartments. Wait, second one contains the items. The only item type that can appear is P. Why? P, okay, so no duplicates then, or something. But how do we split this? The first half, okay. Halvies. halvies. How are we gonna say this? A is gonna be... These are bytes, right? So this is gonna be this thing, and that's gonna be that thing. Is that true? If add is not nil, what am I doing here? Why am I? Boom, boom. A, B. I'm confused. What's going on here? Oh, I see. Man. Okay, so it's working, man. I was here. So this is the whole shebang. This is the first, and then this one is this one. And normally VS Code is actually... it doesn't anymore. Normally if you highlight something, it would highlight the same thing on the line. But hey, it is what it is. Okay, so... that's cool. Okay, so P contains both. Okay, the second, that's L. Is that true? Here and then here 3 times actually. Okay. Only share V, T, and S. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is find the find dup. A, B, slice of byte. Yeah, it is. It's slice of byte, right? We can compare runes then. Like I said, it's not gonna be optimized. I couldn't care less. My brain I cannot do that. Is that a rune then? Not quite sure what's going on here, but let's see. So we're gonna loop. I'm gonna say line A. I'm gonna copy the shenanigans. And I think, not quite sure if they are the same. If... shit. Does it matter? The problem is my J key is my Vim... my Vim escape key, so that's a problem. Is this true? BY? BG? BG? Let me do this. Actually, we could return. Not quite sure it's gonna work, by the way. You can actually return AY. It doesn't really matter, I think. Ah, I see. It's on the rune. It's a U and 8. You could also do this, right? Byte or U and 8. It's the same shenanigans. I think uint8 is cooler. Of course, we are bytes. We are not looping over strings, right? So it's going to be this one. And in this case, I'm going to say this. Right? Nothing or something. Let me quickly test. Let's say that the duplicate shenanigans is going to be find dup AB and then print the dup. Okay. That's not helpful. Let's convert this to a string. Go, run. May not go. Is that true? PLP VTS. VTS, I think it's true. That's fine. Okay, as I let me quickly read chat. Have a good stream, boss. What up, Nick Tutino? Giga Niga. What a lucky that I didn't articulate that well. I don't know. YouTube could ban me for that kind of stuff. Moshago, why don't you convert a string and use an equal function? Convert a string and use an equal function. This is an equal function. What do you mean? Find dup AB. So I just loop through the shenanigans and see if they have a duplicate. I mean, I don't know. Maybe, like I said, I'm not thinking too far. I'm just trying to solve it real quick, right? Solve it real quick. Take the money and sip margaritas on the beach. And if there is a solution that's 10 milliseconds faster, yeah, that's fine. Doesn't matter. Because I'm already putting sun cream on my body. And of course my head, because there is no hair, so need to be careful. What is this? Is it to help prioritize item management? Every item type can be converted to a priority. Lowercase item types A through Z. Oh man, like I said, if this was another language, Python or something, this was easy. Because in Python you can do a set, right? I think in Python you could do sets here. Correct me if I'm wrong, high value engineers. I think find dup you could do, in Python you could do set. Isn't that? I think a set gives, or something like that. I think it gives you duplicate items or something. Is that true? Yeah, okay, so, wait, I need to read, man. Look at me, look at my attention span. Nothing. So, lowercase items, the alphabet, right? The alphabet problem is that in Golang, a rune. What's 8? What's A as a rune? And then uppercase types, we don't have any, we don't have ort and everything, right? Because, look at this, what we could do, let me do something here. We could say, for example, fmt println, and you could do, for example, uint8 of A. Wait, hola. You see? Wait, and let me return here real quick. Right, boom, hop. Oh man, look at this. My clear is not on point today. Go, run. It's gonna be 97, right? 97. So you could do something cool, right? There are two ways you could solve this. My way or the I wanna be fancy way. Which way do you want? My way or the fancy way? We're gonna do it 2 times. We're gonna do my way first, and then we're gonna do the fancy way. You know what I mean? A set is only unique. Yeah, exactly. So we don't have that in Golang, so we need to loopy. You can make a set Y with map stuff. Yeah, it's true. You could map it and all that stuff. Yes, that's true. Actually, that's true. But in this case, it doesn't really matter, right? It's a simple loop, right? Of course, how many things are in here? Maybe maximum 20 bytes or something. Not even 20. It will be, I don't know, 10 or 16 or 18. I don't know. Of course, if you need to do it with a, like I said, everything is easy at a low scale, but once you have big data coming in, you have a problem, and then you need to find better solutions, better trees, binary trees, and all that shenanigans if you want to sort and all that bullshit. But in this case, guys, this is we're gonna do it simple. We're first gonna do it simple, and I'm gonna say, so what we need to do, we need to actually check. So, yeah. So alphabet index actually, and then we need to sum these guys. Okay. There's gonna be a rune. Is that? What's going on here? Rune int. Right? Look at this. Look what I'm gonna do. You're gonna laugh at me. But hey, guys. Come on. We're gonna do it the fancy way after. Right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Dat is mijn Vim-key. Look at this. Look at this gamer. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. X, Y, Z. I'm so sorry. I need to go back to the beginning of the class to get the alphabet. It doesn't matter. Just do this. This is the not optimized way. Don't shoot me. Don't pitchfork me. Like I said, it's all about solving it. So we're gonna just loop. Is that true? We're gonna loop against these. Is that true? And we're gonna say if R equals letters Y, we're just gonna return the rune. No, we're gonna return. Shit. Let's do a string. What's going on here? It's a byte. Whoa. I don't care. -1. I literally don't give a shit. Is that true, actually? Let me quickly see. Println. Get index of. Are we gonna? The question is, what are we gonna give it? Let's do it like this. That should be 1. That's the first thing that comes into my mind. Like I said, it's the first thing that comes into my mind. Like I said, I'm not a scientist. That's good, right? This is very muy bien. Okay, so let's first solve it with this, right? Because you could do it with you could give it a rune A, then you have 97. That's your base, right? And then you could subtract this stuff to find the correct thing. But I think you're gonna run into problems with the capitalized letters. There's a much better way, but like I said, so we're gonna say this is the duplicate, right? And now we need to find. Actually, it's not get index. It's basically get priority, but we don't care. It's fine. It's gonna be a point. Let's call it prior, actually. Prior is going to be... Let me see what chat is going on with this. Chat is going to be rootless. And anyways, preferred. Cast it to an int. Yeah, but if you cast it to an int, you have 97, right? It's not 1. So what you need to do is you have this int, like I said before, you have this 97 int. Then you subtract it with the base, which is your A, letter A, 97, minus 97 plus 1. That's 1. And then the next rune, you basically subtract that, and then you have 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's going to work perfectly fine until... Maybe it's gonna work. We're gonna do it. I'm not quite sure if it's gonna work perfectly fine. We're gonna see. First of all, I'm gonna solve it real quick. So prior is gonna be get index of this dup. The problem is, what is this dup actually? It's a byte. No problem. We convert these things, and then we need to make some sum. That's gonna be 0, and then we're gonna say sum plus s. Prior. Is that a thing? Not quite sure. Is that true? What's going on? Ah, it's true. I thought it's too high. But it's true. I thought, what the hell? Okay, fine. Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay, so basically if we read the file, then it's gonna work. So basically what we could do, guys, listen, let's do some stuff, because what you could do instead of this function here, what's going on here? I'm flipping. What you could do is func get index. I'm gonna say get alphabet. Get index 2. New. So you're gonna give it a rune. Yeah, you're gonna give it a rune. And you're gonna return an integer. So what you could do is something like base is gonna be uint. No, yes, uint 8, which is a byte of this rune, right? And that's gonna be, as if it's an A, it's gonna be 76 or 97. What is this? Not quite sure what it is. Let's return it real quick. Let's return the base. Why is that? Probably convert this to an int. Right? Let's try it real quick here. fmt println print line get index new of A, and then return here real quick. Boom. Go run main.go. Bam. 79. Okay, cool. 97. I'm so sorry. So this is gonna be 97, right? So then we're gonna say that the start of the whole shenanigans is gonna be... No, it's gonna be... Is this... Let me call this X, because we're gonna say base minus rune plus 1. You see how long this already takes? You see how long it takes? It takes too long, but it's not gonna work, guys. There is a snake under the grass for this. Where is my main function? B C D E. Okay, this is not working. What's the rune of Maybe I make a small mistake. You see? What I'm doing is, so 17... Oh! I think it's this. Should work, right? What's going on here? Get index new. Huh? What? This isn't gonna work, man. This is 79. This is gonna be 78. Huh? Oh, wait. Wait, what am I doing? Nobody's telling me this, guys. God damn it. So this is the base, right? You know what I mean? A is the base. A is the first letter of the alphabet. Is this true? A. That's not true. This needs to be 3. And that's because we need to subtract plus 1. That's my first one is true. So, you see? But hey, we could already solve puzzle 5 already. You know what I mean? But we're still hassling to find the best solution. That's the problem. In software engineering, you're trying to find the best way, but all the other people are already playing Call of Duty. You know what I mean? That's 3, so that's fine. The problem is, I think there's going to be a problem with this. That should be 27. Is that true? It's not going to work. It's 35. Is that true? That's not true, right? So then we need to check if it's a capitalized letter and yada 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 yada. But I don't want to do that, right? So, but hey, you get an idea. You could do something with this. If you can then check it's uppercase or whatever, and then you could switch the base, right? Because it should be this. I'm so sorry, but still. Oh, it's still here. It's still C. A. Man, I'm confused. You see, 225. See, that's a problem because the A base int from the capital A is going to be much bigger, so you need to switch that. But I'm not going to do that, right? So let's call it a day. So, but hey, you got the idea. You could do something with that, which is probably more optimized than looping through an array, right? But compute and CPU are so fast these times that looping, it doesn't actually matter anymore. Unless you loop through millions of items, right? Base. Yeah, exactly. I'm so sorry, Maddie. For some reason, that's what I meant, but it's not what came out of the screen. Okay, so let's first solve this thing. Do we have the data already? Nope. So we have it already, right? So we're gonna get your puzzle input. Oof. Boom. Copy. Boom. Data. Boom. Let's do this. Boom. And then delete this. Like that. Go to main. 3. Yeah, let's run it. Wait, did I have this shenanigans still? Nope. Okay, cool. Is that true? I have no clue, man. Where am I? We did it! What's going on here? Alright. Alright. Part 2 is always... It's always tricky, I think. Part 2s, I don't like part 2s. Let's go. After you finish identifying the misplaced items, the elves come to you with another issue. These elves, man. Not good. For safety, the elves are divided into groups of 3. Every elf carries a badge that identifies their group. For efficiency, with each group of 3 elves, the badge is the only item type carried by all 3 elves. Okay. That is, if a group badge is item type B, then all 3 elves will have item type B somewhere in the rucksack. This is already too complex for me. And at most 2 elves will be carrying... Do you guys have the same thing? I'm reading this and my brain cannot comprehend it already. It's crazy. If somebody, like in a job interview, comes up with this, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna choke to death. The problem is that someone, like I said, let's skip. This is the place to be. This is already... The only thing they want to do is confuse you. They want to confuse you. Every set of 3 lines. Wait, this is an important thingy. Additionally, nobody wrote down... The only way to tell which item type is the right one is by finding the one item type that is common between all 3 elves in each group. Okay, it's the same thing. It's the same thing, I guess. But instead of splitting, we need to... Every set of 3 lines. Yeah. Corresponds to a single group. Okay, this is a group, and then the next 3 is a group. But each group can have different batch item type. So in the above example, the first group rucksacks are the 3... And the second group... Look at me copy pasting, man. Like a fucking scuffed. In the first group, the only item type that appears in all 3 rucksacks is a lowercase r. Okay, let us this example is so important. Without this example, man, I can swear to God, it's gonna be so hard. How is fast HTTP? How is better, fast HTTP or net HTTP? It doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter because people are trying to... I think fast HTTP has less allocations. But like I said, how... It doesn't care. Like if you're a couple nanoseconds faster, I mean... Depends on the use case. If it's for a normal web application, it really doesn't matter. If it's for something like... I don't know. It all depends. I wouldn't worry about performance until you're at scale. Okay, so I'm not gonna do this anymore. I'm just gonna go directly to this because this example is golden, man. So let's quickly check. In the first group, the only in 3 rucksacks is R. Is that true? Yes. 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 Okay. And so then we have R, and then we do the next one. That's gonna be Z, and then we sum that up. Is that true? That's it. Okay. I'm already thinking how I'm gonna do this. I think we could make it, we could do it complex. We could do it complex, and we could do it complex and fast, or less fast and more organized. That's the thing. It's gonna be main, well, I don't care. Wait, we need to do a prior, right? We need to have this prior, right? So we need to do a find dub. I'm gonna do find dub. Problem is gonna be 3 lines. So let's actually delete everything, to be honest. Let's clean blank line, right? After a couple times in jail, get a blank line. You can start from scratch. Depends on what you do, of course. I don't think that Jeff Damer will start from a blank line. Is this guy still alive, by the way? Not quite sure. I mean, sometimes I get sick from eating chicken. And this guy was eating human parts. This guy never had something. It's crazy. Okay, so we need to have 3 lines, right? So what we could do is we could do a couple things. We could actually do it in memory. Well, not in memory, but we could do it in one loop. That is the optimized way. I'm gonna do it like I would normally do things. Because I don't have it in my mind. So I'm gonna say something like S or list. It's gonna be a slice of what is gonna be, bytes, I guess. No, slice of bytes. To be honest, let's make this string, because let's just convert it directly to stringies, right? What's going on here? Why don't I have any formatting? Yeah, I have. Actually, guys, why don't we do this? Let's put them all in. Let's loop all. Let's do 2 loops. What do you think? Because you could have a counter, right? So what I was thinking, you could have a counter, and then each 3 lines we do our shenanigans, reset the counter. But that sounds like an error-prone thing. So what we could do is do it in a bad way, actually, at first, and that's something like this, right? List is going to be append list the line, and let's directly convert this already. And like I said, if you wanna go for performance, this is not the way to go. Everything on byte operation would be nice, and not convert too much to strings. Because then we have this list. And then we need to loop a tree. How do you do that? And you could do something like this. I'm already choking. We could actually, why don't we do it like, could do a len list actually. If could clear the list also. That's what we're gonna do at the end. Actually, well, let's make it better. I'm not gonna look at chat, because I know what's going on chat. I think I already know, and that distracts me. I'm gonna look at chat after there's a problem or it's solved. It's either one of two. So if the length of the list is 3, no, then we need to do some find dup, right? You're gonna say dup. It's gonna be find dup new. Hey, you can pass in the list actually like this. Hey, and then you're gonna say list equals. Actually, we don't care, right? We don't care. We can override it in memory. We don't care. We don't care. We cannot append. We cannot append. We cannot append. We need to have an iterator, which is already brings so much complexity. List y is the line, string of the line, right? I'm gonna try real quick to see what's going on here. I'm gonna say I'm gonna print the iterator just to see if my logic is working. It's probably already way too complex. I'm not quite sure. So then if the list is this, then we're gonna just reset the y, right? That's true. And we're gonna start over again. I'm gonna just see if everything is fine here. Yeah, why is 0 here, man? What are you doing here? I'll do something like this. I don't have make. What's going on here? Oh yeah, y++ maybe. Eh? Eh? That's not true. That's dangerous. Let's do this. Let's do this real quick. Let's make it dirty. What's going on? This is 0. Oh yeah, of course. Man, what am I doing? Is it true? It's the same thing. Wait, what do I missing here? What the fuck is going on? So list Y. This 0 is gonna be that line, and then is a Groovebox team. Groovebox. FMT. Let's delete this real quick. So we're gonna increment this stuff at all times. We're gonna check if the list is n. The length of the list. Oh yeah, the length of the list is always 3. Oh wait. Like this. Okay, like this, guys, like this. I'm sorry, I was still in the append mode, but we're not in the append mode. I don't print anything. Like I said, I have a very weird way of thinking sometimes. Yes, okay, cool. Yes. No. Yes. Okay, so that's that. So if this is here, then we're gonna find. We're gonna say dub. It's gonna be find dub new, because we already have a find dub, and we're gonna put in the list, right? Find dub new list slice s. It's gonna be a slice of strings. It's gonna return us. What's it returning? A byte? A byte. But we are already strings here, right? It doesn't matter. Let's do a string. Okay, so the thing is, now we need to loop through these guys. The problem is, the first thing in my mind, what comes up is to loop. But I think that's a solution that will not scale, right? You cannot loop, because maybe it's going to be 4 people, 4. So what I was thinking is, actually, we don't need this map here. We could actually make it here. There's gonna be a map of string. I don't know, bool or something. Actually, you could actually make it, but bool is 1 byte actually in Golang, so it doesn't really matter, right? A bool is 1 byte. Normally it's 2, but it's 1. It's probably optimized by the compiler. Not quite sure. And maybe a bool is only 1. I don't know. In my opinion, a bool is 2 bytes. Look it up. But in Go it's 1. Wait, we need to actually. That's not true. It's true. It's a slice of strings. Wait, I'm so confused with the slice of strings, to be honest. What's going on? Yeah, okay, 3 strings, yeah, and we need to find a common thing. Okay. Okay, there we have one string. And then we need to loop. Wait, can we do... No, we can't. Okay, cool. I'm gonna do something very unoptimized. Bool is a whole byte. For some reason, struct never allocates memory. Federico, that's true. Struct never allocates memory because a struct is basically just a wrapper for data to be in it, right? And if there is no data in your struct, it will be nothing. So that's why it's handy for closing channels. You could close for sending these notifications, closing notifications, for example. You could use an empty struct so you don't waste memory. But like I said, otherwise you could have a bool, and it's like I said, it's 1 byte. I mean, it doesn't matter, right? If you have 1,000 of these channels, you have 1,000 bytes. That's not... Struct won't give reliability here, I think. I'm still a little bit confused here. So, because a slice of string is so weird. So, then we can actually do this. I'm really gonna do this because I'm sick and tired of this for thingy. S. So, we're gonna... It's gonna be a rune, right? Actually, maybe I could call this str or something. Is that true? Invalid type. Oh yeah, of course, because I literally cannot write code. Okay, cool. Where's this? A rune. Yeah, yeah. Oh wait, I have an idea. Can we do this? But that's so bad, guys. What am I doing? I just want to check if they're... I'm stuck. Well, I'm not stuck. I cannot... I'm blocked for some reason. I cannot think. So, why do I need this map? I could just loop over all this bullshit and compare all these guys. Now you can see the real truth. You can see the real undisputed truth that I'm actually legit garbage. You'd want to compare two strings. Yeah, I know. But compare, I mean, comparing... I cannot compare. There is no compare function that will give me a common rune, right? That doesn't exist. So we need to loop through each rune to check if they have the same things. That's what I think. I think in other languages you could do sets and it's all easy, but at the end of the day, these set functions do the same thing. They loop, right? They loop under the hood. So, but I'm thinking, I was just... Instead of comparing, why can I not put everything into a map and see if the value is 3? So then they are common, right? Because we need to find a common tree, right? Because otherwise, comparing strings is pretty bad, right? This is already bad by using strings. I should have used bytes or something. So I could compare bytes, which is... Then you loop over your bytes, and then you're actually comparing integers, which is all very much faster, right? Strings is the cause of all evil. Let me try something. I'm gonna do something unorthodox. I could make it a string actually, to be honest. We convert it. It doesn't matter. Hey, I have an idea. No, it's not, because... This is so weird. Problem is... Actually, we should banish... I have some couple ideas to do this, right? I could make these bytes and I want to benchmark, but it doesn't really matter, actually, to be honest. But now we need to loop again over this map, right? I could... Is that true? Is this gonna work, actually? I don't know. It's just something that came up real quick in my mind, to be honest. Actually, we could do something like this, right? Len. To make it generic, because maybe it's a part 3 and we need to test 8. So what we could do is just do lensters, and then we are sure to do this. I think this is not actually a bad idea. Maybe there's some scientist in the chat. So then we have k, right? We're just gonna return k, eh? If it's 3, then k. String. I don't know if it's gonna work. Ah! Did I allocate my map? Yeah, I did. Shit. Shit, it's not good. Wait, what's going on? They are 18R and Z. It's completely wrong. Why is this wrong? Did I have the wrong... No, I don't, right? MD what? Yeah, it is. 3. I think I made a mistake somewhere then. So it should be R. Priorities, wait, in the first group, the only item that appear in the rucksack is R. Oh wait, R and Z. R and Z, why do I have... Wait, so find dubs, right? So we make a list. So it's fine. Wait, first of all, I'm gonna debug. Let's debug the list here, right? Let's do an fmt print. We're gonna do a print f. Actually, we don't need to do this. This percent plus v. What's going on here? Cold hands. Knees weak. Strs. Okay, so I think there's a problem with this mappy. So for each of these strings, we are looping through the runes. And we're going to say that we're going to put the rune into the map plus equals 1. What am I doing? Am I doing... What's going on? This should work. What's going on? Wait. Why is this random? Oh yeah. I know. Yeah. No. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing here? Why is nobody telling me this, guys? This is not. No. Find up. This is not true because we have the list. It is true. Why is this? I know a map is not sorted, but still. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna actually do this. Actually, I'm so confused. I'm not gonna lie. It should be something stupid. Yeah. Of course, I know what's going on. We can't. Because the problem is, guys, with this solution is that I think we could have numbers that are 3 times in the same shenanigans here. This n, for example. You see? N and n, so it's going to be 3. I thought it's going to be complexer than I thought. So this basically means that, like I said, you could easily fix this already if you just do 3 loops, right? And then compare. But like I said, that's an unscalable solution, although then we are already done. But I want to do it with this map because I think it's a clean solution. But, oh, I have an idea. Because this is in the same string. So we could do something like M, R. Okay. Right. So we are only going to increment it in 1 line. Is this true? That's not true. Maps are randomly ordered, yeah, I know. But it doesn't matter, right? How can this take so long? What's going on? This is so easy. I want to do it with this map. So we range through the string. We find if it's not existing in the map, then we're gonna increment this. And otherwise we don't do anything. Okay, it's all 1. Oh wait, it's because... Damn! The problem is, guys, if you solve if you're programming, sometimes you're basically, how do you call that? Focused in some kind of a direction, and maybe it's the wrong direction, but you're still stuck in there, right? While actually the solution could be on another path, so easy, but you just don't see it. It doesn't mean that you don't understand it. It's just you don't see it. And that's why collaborating with colleagues can help you, because somebody comes into your code, they can just see, hey, why don't you do this? Well, oh man, I didn't thought about that. Fuck, because you're just like blindfolded. How do you say that? Like, the problem is that we are arranging. This was too good to be true, actually. Can I do something like this? Something very simple. You could do this, right? If you really wanna make it complex, right? No, that's bad. That's bad. That's even is even more complex. Damn, so simple. Help. We cannot add it if you already added it in this range, right? This range is basically all these strings is fine. Yeah, okay, you could say here. Can we do something like added as a bool is false, right? Something like this. And then for range string, if added, we do this. What am I doing, guys? This is crazy. This is not gonna work. I'm done. I cannot see it. I'm printing also too much shenanigans. Wait, what is this? Look at this. WT. There should be only 3. And the function is supposed to return a string of the duplicated letters. Yes. Yeah. Because normally what I would do actually is basically just we loop, right? We loop. Actually, we could do it like this, right? Right. Let's because I think this looks so cool with this map, but for some reason my brain is not too good. So, but that doesn't matter. So we could do something like let's loop to the strings, and then loop it again, right? This is actually completely garbage, but it is what it is. And say G. Not quite sure if this is gonna work, by the way. Maybe I'm actually completely not good in these things. That's perfectly fine, right? So basically that's a string. I'm gonna loop actually to this string. Are these strings actually... You see, the problem is that if the strings are not the same length, you're gonna have some issues, I think. Is it true? Do I have coffee left? Okay, let's relax a bit. Let's relax a bit. Let me read chat. I'm just learning how to solve add-on from code from your vid. This is crazy. Man, I hate these streams. Maps for anyone, yes. Maybe fill a map with the first string and with others just delete from map. Tunnel vision. Tunnel vision, that's what I'm talking. RG, RGG. Tunnel vision, that is. I'm having tunnel vision. I want to solve it with this map. Is the function supposed to return yes? Does order of the repeated letters matter? No, the order doesn't matter, right? Because by the end of the day, so basically, we're trying to find a set of 3 strings. That's the only thing we wanna. That's the only thing you wanna do. The set of 3 strings. Wallet. Right. So basically, that means that, and I think with this map is so easy to do. So let's say we have a string foo, oof. No, that's actually the most bad. Let's say A B C, B C, and then we say F F A and bar. Right, if you take a set of 3, you have B and... No, you don't have B, you have A. Am I correct? This is going to return A, right? A, B. Let's make this FBA. Then you have A and B. Right? Why not take a map of the character count? Well, that's true, that's what I'm doing. But the problem is that if you do... this, no, C here, for example, then what's going to happen is, or this, right? Even though this can be X, X doesn't matter, right? Okay. What's going to happen is that I'm saying that if the count of the map is basically 3, because we have the set of 3, then we return. Problem is this is also 3, you know? And that's why I'm doing these... I missed something, guys. I missed something. I swear to God, this needs to work. I'm so disappointed. My dopamine, back to the ground. Added is true, right? If not added, +1, added is true. Boom, 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 boom. Join with special character and then loop. Not quite sure what you mean. So we loop through every string. Wait, look at this, look at this, look at this. So, listen, what we're gonna do is this. This is... let's join this real quick. Look at this, look at this. Let's do this. Find up. Right, let's do this. A slice of string. Let's return here. Like this, right? We're gonna do a slice of string. A, B, C. A, X, X. X, G. And bar. No duplicates found. That's actually completely trash, right? So let's do this added away, right? Fuck added. Let me do this, right? Okay, duplicate is A. And you should think, yeah, the function is working. Yes, that's not true. Because the problem is, we have this, right? So we're gonna try it very simple, so we can understand this. CC, right? Look at this. Wait, but no. This is gonna be, listen. You see, voila. Basically, it's because it's an ordered map, and then we have this, but it doesn't matter. So it's true, right? These two. But this cannot be the case because it's coming from the same thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna print out this map real quick. I don't understand why I have so much issues, problems with this. Percent plus V, but I basically say to myself when I was doing the stream, that's why I hate these streams, because you could not think about this before stream. And I'm the guy, legit, like all the others, they prepare this, right? They see, this is the first time I see these exercises. For me, it's completely new. I could easily prepare this for you guys and assume that I didn't know it, but actually I knew it, and it's all been. But this is basically me just seeing this thing and having problems with simple issues, right? This is programming. This is basically, I have this a lot. Like I said, this is real programming. Although it's simple. So I'm gonna actually say this dub because I want to see. No, not dub. Oh, this map, I can't. God damn it. So here I'm in the string, right? So why is it not working? Like, if I say added, right? Added is false, right? And I can only add this letter in this loop once. Each letter. Oh, wait, but I'm basically not... Let me try something real quick. I think I just forgot some crucial part. No, it's gonna be yes. Not okay. Okay. Not okay. If it's not okay, we can always add it. That doesn't matter. Wait. Tural! The best UX engineer in the whole world, Tural. What is up? Tural, I'm struggling. I'm choking, man. I'm choking. And I need to pee. Okay, I want to solve this. So wait. So basically, listen. My idea? Let's delete this real quick. So my idea is basically say like this, right? If I did not add this, right? We're gonna add this, right? And then, so that basically means I'm only gonna add once a rune. But that's a problem. Because it doesn't matter. Because it's a loop. So that's a problem. But I can only... It's a struggle, man. Wait, so... Wait, my music playlist need to reboot this thing. Boom. Sending love from my kingdom. Haha, Turo, man. What is up, man? Is it legit nobody that can help me? Why you guys? All right. Okay. Cool. Wait. Let me quickly do. Oh my pecs are still sore. Oof. Bench press yesterday and it's still sore. We gym in. Okay, I'm gonna go quickly. Clear my mind real quick because we are doing the most basic things and it takes hours, right? We are basically making decentralized poker engines like it's nothing, but these garbage stuff we can't. It's crazy. Add another map for Boolean check. Yeah, crystallized. You're right, but I was trying. I'm so scared of making so much things, like adding another map, adding another loop. I'm so scared because people is gonna say, hey, what are you doing? You add another loop. But actually, I don't think we can. What we could do. This is not gonna work, right? Because you loop through, for example, you have A, B. What's going on here? C, C. Right? Oh man, I cannot even. So what's gonna happen here is, so you're gonna, the first is gonna be A. It's not gonna be added. In your loop, in this loop, it's not going to be added, this A, right? But the problem is we cannot check that. We cannot verify that, right? So B is not going to be added. It's going to be added. B is going to be added, right? Because we are still in this range. So it's not going to add these things with this shenanigans. So what you could do is do this stupid map, right? Could do this bool check, just like Crystallized is telling us. I thought it could be simpler, but actually I don't think it is. I'm gonna reset this map, right? So what you're gonna do here. Actually, we don't need to do it here. We could do it here, right? So we're gonna. I'm gonna do this, right? But first of all, if we do this, we're gonna check this. Okay. It's gonna be MMR. Okay. Not okay. And we're gonna do this. Is that true what I'm saying here? What is my thing? Yes! Crystallized! You're the man. You're the man. You see, it was simple. Crystallized, the man that basically could penetrate my tunnel vision. The man that could free me from this misery. Crystallized. He is the MVP of this stream. Well, it's not over yet. It's not over yet. So maybe somebody can come and take his place. But Crystallized, he's the man or the girl. I'm not quite sure. I think he's a man. But if he's a girl, that's fine. He can also be something else, right? So a thing, a rock, a tree. Because these days, you need to be very, very careful. Game over. Oh, man. The longer I stream, the less that I care. It's crazy. I start streaming and I was very carefully what I'm doing, but now I'm just completely myself. A complete lunatic. That's what I am. Basically, nobody's gonna hire me anymore if they see me doing all that stuff. And all these crazy sounds. But I don't care, guys. Hey. And I said before, it's almost Xmas. Hello, Christmas holidays, and then we're gonna play some games on stream. Normally, I'm against games, right? Although I'm a gamer, big gamer back in the days. And I always telling everybody that you need to stop gaming, stop playing Call of Duty, League of Legends, World of Warcraft, RuneScape, stop it. You're wasting your time. Go to the gym, right? Get fucking unit, just like me. And learn coding, or get better, you know what I mean? Stop doing to-do lists and code crazy shit, you know? But in the Xmas holidays, we're gonna game. I'm gonna play, I don't care what we're gonna play, League of Legends, I don't care. And we're gonna group together, and we're gonna clap some fucking cheeks. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna clap the boys. We're gonna clap them. We're gonna make them suffer. We're gonna make them rage. Yes. The team of the high-value software engineers are coming together to clap some cheeks in the digital world. Hey, I don't care what game you tell me, and I'm jumping on the train. Alright, so we're gonna solve this, and then we're gonna solve the next one. And then probably we have half an hour. So I need to hold my pee for 30 minutes without having a kidney explosion. Time for a game of Dota. Peace. Alright, so the next thing. Let's open up this data thing and let's go to the next. Rahul. Dr. Disrespect, man, he was one of my favorite streamers. Not have much time to look at him anymore. What's going on with these rucksacks, man? Get your puzzle input. Alright. The question is, do we have... We're not done yet, right? We're actually not done yet. Wait, let us first open up this crazy data. Just breathe. What's going on here, man? With these trees. Okay, so we're gonna read this data txt. What is this? N, Y? What's going on here? Let's make a nice var. This. Let's group up these boys here. Shit. You know what? And then the reader here. What do you think about this? What do you think about this sorting? Hey? We're gonna make a sum. I think we need to sum the boys up, right? Like this. And then we're gonna say the dub is basically the dub. And then we need to have the points. And that's gonna be get index, I guess. The dub. And then we're gonna say sum plus equals the point. E plus find the dub by 3. Is this true? What I'm... Damn, and already... Shit, we couldn't verify this. Damn. Should we do this? Sum. Is that true? Let's try real quick. Are we going to just do this? And because I didn't... wait, so we have this. Dub. And then we sum... Yeah, fuck it. Let's do it, man. YOLO. Boom. If it's wrong, it's wrong. If it's good, it's good. And then submit. Yes, we did it. This actually took a long time. Took a long time. We were just tunnel visioning ourselves into misery. Downward spiral. 6 points. Feels like Super Mario. 6 stars. What's this? Mastodon. What is Mastodon? I never heard of this thing. Return to your advance. 4. Camp cleanup. What the hell is this? This already looks crazy. Anyway. Let's do it real quick. This, I swear to God, I'm gonna do a speedrun. Are we gonna do a speedrun? Because I need to pee very badly. I'm gonna do a speedrun. New folder. 4. Look at me speedrunning Advent of Code. Never seen this before. And you should believe me, because otherwise the other one was already done. data.txt. Boom. Don't need to read this. I'm gonna copy this. Boom. Copy. Look what I'm gonna do. Look what I'm gonna do. I didn't see anything. I think we need to read line by line and split this with this. This is the separator. Oh shit, what am I doing? That's what I think, right? That's what I derive. And then this 2.4, I know what it is. I don't know what it is, but we will see. So what I'm gonna do here is a package. What's going on here? It's my cap locks on. What's going on? Package main. Package main like this. Func main. Hop, 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 hop. Split the screen. Man, this speedrun is not going in a very good direction. We're gonna say main tree. Main tree. Tree. We're gonna open up data. We're gonna do the loop. Copy this whole shebang. Paste it in. Delete. Hold this. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. We don't need a sum. We don't need a list. This can be gone. We don't need this. We're gonna make this an inf, just a column thingy. Infer, reader, line. Println, this here. Line here. Just like that. CD, the speedrun guys. CD4. Go run main.go. Perfectly fine. Then what I'm gonna do is say parts. It's gonna be strings. First of all, we're gonna say strings split. Look at this. String line separator. This one. What's going on here? Undeclared name strings when split. Why is this undeclared? Strings. Strings. There's parts. That's fine. We have parts here. Yes. Boom. Okay, cool. It's already splitted, right? Now we're gonna see what's going on. Spade needs to be cleared before the last supplies can be unloaded. We're gonna skip everything. We're gonna, however, as some of the elves compare the section assigns with each other. They have no. Many of these assignments overlap. Not quite sure what's going on. I still have no clue. Quickly find overlaps and reduce the duplicated effort. The elves pair up and make a big list of section assignments of each pair. Your puzzle input. I still don't know what's going on. For the first few pairs, the list means within the first pair of elves, the first elf was assigned sections 2-4. I still have no clue what's going on. It's getting more complicated. Okay, 2-4 is 2, 3, and 4. Yes, okay. 6-8 is 6. Yes. 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 What the hell is this? Okay, yeah, it's to help the noobs. Okay, cool. 2-8. Fully contains 3-7 and 6-6. Where are we? 2-8. Where? Here. Ah, it's linear algebra. Is that true, or am I wrong? Okay. So 2-8 fully contains 3-7. Yes, that's true because 2, yes, and then 6-6 fully contains 4. Yes. Yes. Fuck it. This, like I said, is gonna be a speedrun. I'm gonna make you guys proud. That's what I'm gonna do. Quickly read the chat. Damn, you savage, not even looking at the description. No man, I learned that the description is making me even more thing. I still have not. We need to do some comparison. Was this screen reader optimized? This is the first thing. Or are you using a screen reader to operate VS Code? Why should I use a screen reader? What's going on? Why should you do that? Alright, okay, so what we're gonna do is parts one. So we have two sides. We have this and this. So it's gonna be A parts. It's gonna be strings split. Parts. Wait, is that true? Is that an A low? Is that true? Wait, because they're gonna debate me, man. I can feel it already. Wait, let me see. 2, 2. Okay, so this is already 4. Can this be higher? No, it can't. It can just be equal, right? That's the only thing. And so this is the low variable, and this is gonna be the high. Is it true? Yes, it is. Okay, fine. So we're gonna split A. What's going on? My thing is here. That means that I need to eat 20 grams of protein. But that can wait because I'm doing a speedrun. I have my priorities. It's not going to be a speedrun. I'm already too slow. But it doesn't matter. So this is going to be... a hyphen. Is that true? No, that's not true. A low. That's not true. What am I doing? A parts is going to be this, and then we're going to say A underscore is going to be strconf atoy A to I of this what's going on, man? A parts, so we split this, so we have this, yeah, then we split this, then we have these two things. That's fine. It's going to be A parts 0 like that. Is that true? Cannot use value of type int. Is A to Y not good enough? Of course it is. What's going on? I already have A. A low. A high. Man, scary. There's gonna be parts 1. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Copy the whole shebang, paste it in, boom. B. 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 B, B, and B. If... What do we need to do, actually? Do we need to sum this up or something? What is this? Cleaning sections seem the most consideration. In this example, there are 2 such pairs. In how many assignment pairs does it fully contains the other one? Okay. J low. A low. If A low. Wait, so I'm a visualist. Like I said, guys, you know that. I'm a visionary. I'm a visionary. I'm an artist. I'm literally an artist. It is what it is. I'm a performer. I'm a visionary, and I'm an artist. So I always need to have something. A vision. So I'm going to make my vision here. Boom. Look at this. So we're going to say 2, 4 into 3, 4. Alright. So it's A low. If A low is smaller, needs to be smaller than basically this motherfucker here. Right? That's true. Fully contained. Fully contained. This is B low. Is that true? B low. Can we not sum these guys up? And no, we can't. And this guy needs to be smaller than this guy. This seems too simple. That's not true. If A low is smaller than B low, and B low, that's B high. If A low is smaller than B low, where is J low? A low needs to be smaller than this, and this needs to be smaller than this. Is that true? That's so simple, right? But then we need to be careful, because what if we have this then? Is that true? Can we have that? Yes, here. God damn it, these motherfuckers trying to debate me. Can we not just do... Can we not just reverse this shenanigans here? Or not? This is not gonna work. What am I doing here? I'm making arrows like a madman. It's gonna be so wrong. A low, B low, A high, B high. B high. Is that true, guys? I'm not sure. Println. Data. Is it data? Line. Parts. Line. Let's print a line. Let's print hit. Hit. Fully hit. Full body. What's this? Parts. Go running. Ah! Okay, we made a big mistake. But hey, but we are on track, right? We are on track. We just made a small mistake in the comparison. That's what we did, right? Go run. Just want to see this. Okay, fully hit. That's not true. Let's clear this. Clear. Main 4. It's already gone. All right. Yeah, I know I need to add a counter. I know. But I just want to see who's are hitting. But we cannot hit them all, right? You see, go and me not go is a problem. You see? We are hitting everything, right? But that's not true. 2 and 6. And 2 and 3. Wait, they are containing everything. Huh? No, it's not true. This guy, not right. 2 and 8, it's not right. Huh? For example, 2 8 fully contains 3 7. Wait, they are brain fucking me with their things. So, fully contains. But 2, 3 fully contains, I mean 4, 5 fully contains 2 and 3, right? No, it's not. I just cut myself on my keys. It's crazy. Okay, so it's probably a mistake here. It's a mistake here. Let's say 1 and 3. And let's make this 4 and 6 or something, so I can actually, my autistic brain can comprehend this. So basically, I mean, this needs to be smaller than this, right? No, yeah. But did I do this good? A low, parts 1, high, yeah, B, yeah. B, yeah. So this guy needs to be smaller than this. Yeah, of course. This guy needs to be higher than this guy, right? What am I doing? What you see? It's they confused me. And then we need to do the reverse, right? It's just the reverse, basically, because can swap these guys. Is this true then? Just quickly, blind copy to Chatterino. Go run main not go. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Why? Like I said, why did I do this? This needs to be higher than this. I think I told this on the. I think I saw this or spoke this out, but I didn't code it like I spoke it out because it's obvious that this guy needs to be bigger than this guy, and then it's fully contained. I don't understand why I did not do it, but anyway. A counter. A sum. Or actually a counter in this case, to be honest. Yeah, counter can be here. And then in this case we're just gonna counter counter plus plus, right? Just like that. And then fmt println rather the counter here. Actually, it's not too bad. Just of course, this is gonna be. I'm gonna run this, and then we're gonna copy paste the real data set. Boom, and then we're gonna do some Q&A, and I'm gonna pee, and I'm gonna eat my thingies and call it a day. Sip margaritas, but not on the beach. Thank you, Bazoo. Thank you so much, my man. Get your puzzle input. Oh, what's going on, man? This Windows machine with it. Data 4, eh? Boom. Paste it in here, boom, and then copy this, delete. Yeah, that's fine. Go, run, main, go, boom. But if it's not working, then it's paste. We're not gonna do part 2. I think there is a part 2. Yeah, okay, because everything has a part 2 apparently. Part 2 is for another stream. We're just gonna do a little small Q&A, and then I'm gonna call it a day. The first half of it, let me quickly read this. It seems simpler. Yeah, whatever, man. It's just probably adjustment. All right, I don't want to think about it. My brain is fried. Hey, guys, this is like I said, and I'm gonna say it. I say it before, and I'm gonna say it again. Solving these stuff live on stream. If you never, ever read the problem, it's very hard. Although the problems are okay-ish, right? But it's like the thinking process. If you need to stream and it's the first time you encounter these things, it's hard. On the fly. But I'm getting better at these things. I'm getting better at streaming and coding at the same time. Because if I stream, for example, the book aggregator, or some exchange stuff, or some of the decentralized poker, that's stuff that I'm actually the whole day I'm thinking about this, right? You know, if you have your personal project, what you do is you constantly think about it, like, oh, maybe I can do this, and all right, on stream I'm probably gonna do this first, and I'm gonna do it like that. But so you have some context in your head if you stream. But in this case, it's like you read a problem, all eyes are on you. You know that people already know the how to do it because they already did it, and then you need to think and do it. Try to process it all at the same time. That's hard. That's a work of art. Yeah. That's what it is. You just gotta change logic a bit. Yeah, but like I said, these things, man, I don't want to think about it. I'm gonna do it next time when my brain is free. I don't even know what we need to do. I don't know. Let me quickly see what's going on here in YouTube. It's okay-ish. "24 concurrent viewers in the beginning, which is nice. New Cami. Just do some business at the same time. You see, I'm doing the. Wait, I'm gonna answer this guy later on. So yeah, Advent of Code. I really don't like to do these streams, guys. But sometimes we need to do that stuff, right? To trigger my brain. What are we gonna do next? Not quite sure. You tell me. What do you want to see? What's the next stream? What's the next video need to be? And for the guys or girls and the people that are not subscribed yet, consider subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, boys, girls. And take a look at the Patreon. I'm not gonna market it. Just take a look, because you can see the first 30 seconds of each video. And if it's something for you, consider subscribing. Throw away Netflix and subscribe to me, because I'm the Netflix bit of programming. You know what I mean? This is what it is. I'm a real deal in the industry. It is. It is. Can I ask you why you're using WSL? Any benefit? Because I'm forced. You know what I mean? No. So I have a MacBook. It's at my bedroom. Before I go to sleep, I watch Twitch. Some stuff on Twitch to relax my brain. And it was basically my MacBook where I coded for a lot of time. And basically, I do all my coding on Mac. But the problem is that for streaming, since I started making these videos, I needed to have something that can encode on a GPU, with a big GPU. And I have this Razer Blade 15 with an RTX 2070. Big processor, a lot of RAM, so I can encode my streaming with the GPU. And I can use my CPU for Google Chrome. So yeah, that's why. And of course, if I want to use Unix, Linux types stuff, so then I need to have Ubuntu, and then I need to have WSL, and that's why I'm using it, because I cannot code on Windows. It's not going to happen. Golang based. Maybe I can start streaming myself. You can try it, man. Hey, I wouldn't consider it if I were you. It's hard, right? It's hard, and it's a very hard grind. Now, like I said, streaming doesn't actually give you that much benefits. You can better make videos on YouTube then, but small videos, short videos, 12 minutes, 8 to 12 minutes maximum. And because people don't want to see 30, 40 minute videos, they don't want to do that. Right? Of course, you guys are the 1%. You guys did, but a lot of people don't want that. So if you want to make a lot of money on YouTube, don't do what I do. This is what it is. You need to clickbait people. You need to Look, listen. So what's the problem with people today? Who is your friend? Who is gonna like you? People that everybody has a bubble. Everybody has a bubble. Like the normal James at the water cooler, right? And don't be offended. I'm generalizing. I'm generalizing. It does not mean that you are some of these guys. But James at the water cooler has a bubble around him. A bubble. Protective bubble. And everybody that will fit his narrative is his friend. And he will like that. For example, hey James at the water cooler. You're fat, but no worries. This is my 15-second ab workout, so you can be shredded in 2 weeks. Oh, really? Nice. Subscribe, right? Or hey, my name is Mr. Beast, and I have a video where everybody puts his hand on a plane, and the last one will win. Oh, nice. I want to see this. You see, it's junk. Junk. That's the thing. Hey, want to learn JavaScript in 2 weeks? Join my course. That's all. People feel good. Oh, JavaScript in 2 weeks. Yes, I'm gonna be a coder. Yeah, you mean? But then somebody like me comes in and they said, "Yo, guys, I'm gonna make a blockchain in Go, but unfortunately, it will be maybe 40 hours of content." And then you will maybe you will learn it. You know what I mean? James at the water cooler doesn't like that. James doesn't like that. 40 hours of coding. Ooh, I don't think so, right? So he's gonna stay fat, he's gonna stay depressed, and he's gonna stay broke. So don't be James. Don't be James. Be a unit. And that's the problem with especially if you're a tech streamer. If you're a tech streamer, what do a lot of these streamers like Yoma Tech? Although his videos are sometimes very funny, I'm not gonna lie, but he's not learning you anything, right? It's just junk videos, parodies about tech, but they don't learn you anything, right? It's funny if you're in your bed, you can scroll him and it's nice, but you're wasting your time. Let us be honest. But that's the only way to get followers and make a lot of money on YouTube. People like me, like I said, 30%, I think it's 3% of my videos are getting clicked. You know? 3% of my videos getting clicked. And I think the average time watched is maybe 3 minutes, right? A video, and most of my videos are 20 to 30 minutes long. And 3 minutes is the average watch time. You see? So it's bad pain in the ass for me. But listen, I don't need. YouTube is not. Listen, YouTube is not my goal to be rich, right? I know that. I don't care. I just love to do this stuff, and I just want to have some impact on people, and maybe not have the impact to make you a better coder, but I want to motivate you. I want to have the motivational impact on you. Not like I said, I'm not the best coder. I make mistakes. I'm just a good builder. I'm just a good hacker. I just know where to find things, and I can probably outcode a lot of people. But am I the smartest guy in the room? No. Well, maybe I am. Maybe I am the smartest guy, because if you it depends how you see it, right? But from a scientific standpoint, I'm not the smartest guy in the room, right? I'm also building upon the shoulders of giants, right? Of people that are smarter than me, making all these scientific papers that I can barely read, but I can understand them and implement them, right? So I don't want to. Maybe you're gonna learn something from me. I agree, but I want to motivate you guys. That's what I want to do. And not only for coding, but fitness. Be fit. I'm 36 years old, and I can swear to God, it doesn't matter how old are you. You can be 22, 23, but you're not gonna outlive me, my man. It's not gonna work. I have a physique of a Greek god. Look my Twitter or my Instagram. I swear to God, the chances you're gonna be more jacked than me is very low. It's basically zero. So I want to learn you guys that, right? I want to actually, basically I want to learn you make money while coding. That's the thing. By coding, right? By raising your paycheck first. Rob, every content creator seems to agree with you, but I love your content. It's really incredible. Can't wait for employment so I can stop grinding the job hunt process and enjoy that poker tutorial. Yeah, man. I still need to do the poker thingy, continue that stuff. But like I said, it's a filthy animal. It's getting very complicated. And yeah, but we're gonna do that. I promised myself. I promised myself, man, that I'm gonna complete it. And we're almost there. We're almost there. Not quite sure if you're gonna do the Solidity stuff on top of it, but I think if you have a nice Golang backend, decentralized poker with some perks in it, but that doesn't matter, then it's already a good thing. Federico, thank you, Anthony. Great coding content and live advices. See you on the next live. Bye bye, man. Patreon supporter, by the way, Federico Perimonte or Perimont. I don't know how you pronounce it. All right, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna pee again, man. Oh man, my kidneys are exploding. And yeah, then I'm gonna do some some normal human stuff, some administration, and then I'm going to my GF and what happens there. That's for OnlyFans. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to jump into the Discord and all that stuff. You know, like, I don't need to tell you. Everybody is telling it already, so you know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video. Peace.